2006 Nissan Pathfinder. Engine light is stay on, so we're going to check the code using Mac scanner. So the problem is engine stalling and hard starting. So we are waiting for the code, and it shows P0345 Camshaft position sensor A circuit bank 2 malfunction. So there's two code, but the same code comes up. So we're going to check where is the location of bank 2. The bank 2 is on the driver's side at the back of the engine near the firewall, and this is how it looks. The sensor bank 2 position sensor. So I'm going to use original Nissan sensor. So I changed both sides, to make sure there's no more problem. This is bank 1, and sorry for dark. It's no light, so it's the same side, back side, left and right. This is the original sensor.